Hi, my name is Leanne Fernandez. I'm here at the Oliver Partnership School. And today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a chicken soup using a crock pot. I know many of you don't know the different uses of a crock pot. We do have various sizes in these crock pots. They have small ones, bigger ones, depending on how much you wanna cook, how big your family is. You can make up to big portions, but today we have like a medium-sized crock pot. So this soup will give about 6 people. A couple of pointers on the crock pot. So you wanna keep it covered. It holds in the heat really well. This metal part does get hot, so you always wanna keep it on the corner where children are not able to reach it because you don't want them to get burnt. You can start your meal and you can walk away from it because it's safe, because you plug it right into the wall, put it in a corner, and you don't have to worry about it for 4 hours. This is why I love using crock pots. I'm gonna add some hot water into the crock pot just so I can get the chicken broth to start going. And I'm gonna be using probably about 3 cups of water into the crock pot, and I'm gonna be using 2 of these chicken bouillons to make the chicken broth. And we're gonna keep the crock pot on high. Now I am going to season the chicken that we have here. It's already diced up. I cleaned the chicken prior to this with some lime and some cold water. And you can do everything to your liking. I like to use a lot of onion. We're gonna use some oregano. And some garlic powder as well. And we're just gonna mix it all up together. And I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon into this. That way the chicken grabs a lot of flavor. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt. All right. So for our ingredients, we're gonna have some carrots, celery, some potatoes, we have corn, we have red and green peppers to add into our soup, and also onions and parsley. And it looks like the bouillon is already dissolved. Now I'm gonna add the vegetables into the crock pot. And I like a lot of vegetables in my soup. We're gonna add celery, we're gonna add some potatoes, we're gonna add the red and green peppers to give it some flavor and boost it up. Gonna add some corn, because I love corn. We're gonna add the onions, and they're diced up really small. And we're gonna add some parsley into this. The vegetables have to go first, and then we're gonna add the chicken on top. And we're just gonna cover this up. It has all its seasonings, all its flavors inside. And we're just gonna leave this covered up for about 3 to 4 hours. Once the soup is done, you're ready to eat it. And we'll come back later and see the final results of the soup. All right, so we have our chicken noodle soup, and it's done. You can always add a grain, add pasta, add rice, quinoa into it to make it a little thicker. I also like to add some lime or some hot sauce to it just to spice it up a little bit. So it was nice and quick. The same way you can make chicken soup on a stove, you can make it in a crock pot. We have some nice chicken soup. And thank you for watching.